there's something more below the surface. Everything has a surface understanding, and below the surface. On the surface, you look at Lord Chaitanya and say, oh, Lord Chaitanya, Harinam Sankirtan, preaching, distributing Krishna consciousness. That's true. That's a fact. That's the surface. But what's under the surface? The surface of the ocean has waves. You see water and you see waves. Wind is moving waves. Is that all? That's the whole ocean? No, there's food in there for some people. Some people get food from that water. Some people get wealth from that water. So if you go a little deeper, you get fish. And you eat, if you're a fish person, that eats that food. If you go even deeper in the ocean, you get gems. Sapphires, rubies, pearls. And then you get wealth when you sell the gems. Same ocean. The view, depends on the view, is how much wealth you can get. So the Lord Chaitanya, external, outer view is this, inner view is that. Outer view of the sadhu, inner view of the sadhu. Outer view of the sadhu, oh, he's a dirty, he doesn't shave, he's a dirty cloth, he's no good sadhu. Yeah, there's no, all broken down building and little hole in the place, no disciples, nothing going on here. Bekar sadhu, nakli. He's not real sadhu. So you have to look below the surface, Many, even Chanakya says in Niti, the rules of life, he wrote a book about basic rules of life, Niti Shastra, the ways of life. It's not Tattva Siddhanta, but his basic rules of life. He said, sometimes gold can be covered by filth and dirt. It's gold. It's very valuable. 5 grams, 100 grams of gold is very valuable. It can be covered by dirt and mud. But then you have to look below. Move away the mud. Oh, I found.